Hello everybody, my name is Seyfert with the K Grant Group, and I'm really excited to show you this beautiful townhome in Mission Crossing at Chandler Ranch. It's a newly built home, only been lived in for a year, and it's a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little over 2,000 square feet, and it's got this gorgeous backyard ready for entertainment with turf and pavers, and it's a corner lot next to the pickleball court. It's got a 2-car garage, and I'm excited to show you. Come on in. Thank you so much for taking this tour of this beautiful townhome with me in Mission Crossing at Chandler Ranch. Again, my name is Seyfert with the K Grant Group. If you have any questions or would like to tour this lovely home, please give me a call, 602-284-4404.